I am Panda. I live in China. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami.
Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello children. So today we are going to do letter
P as in panda.
So let's start. This is an uppercase P. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase P.
And this is a lowercase p. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase p.
As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter P is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let me take you to Penny the Penguin's birthday party.
It was Penny the Penguin's birthday. She invited all her friends. Perry the pig, Sweetie the puppy, Pearl the peacock, and Joey the parrot. They bought unique presents for Penny. Her parents took all the children to Pin Resort to have a grand party. There, they played many games and danced to the music of the piano. Soon, Mother called them for the cake cutting ceremony. First, Penny puffed out all the candles. Puff, 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 puff. Then she cut the cake. Everybody relished the pineapple and strawberry cake and also had pizza, pasta, potato wedges with peach juice. All of them had a great time.
Yes, that is the sound of letter P. So now let us sing about the sound of letter P. P is a consonant, it has a sound. P is a consonant, it has a sound.
P is a consonant, it has a sound. P is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the P sound P, 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 P.
Let us say the P sound P, 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 P.
P as in parrot, P as in pencil, P as in pumpkin.
P as in parrot, P as in pencil, P as in pumpkin.
Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. P is a consonant, it has a sound. P is a consonant, it has a sound.
P is a consonant, it has a sound. P is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the P sound P, 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 P.
Let us say the P sound P, 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 P.
P as in pizza, P as in palette, P as in pinwheel.
P as in pizza, P as in palette, P as in pinwheel.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So now let us revise. So what is the sound of letter P?
P, P as in P, P, panda who lives in China. And please, friends, do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
So in our next class, children, we will learn about letter Q. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.